Everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to fix the problem of Samsung Wallet not opening. If your Samsung Wallet won't open, try these verified fixes in 2025. Now these fixes have been tested and they are in order. So the first thing you need to do is first close and reopen the app. So how do you do this? Open settings, and from settings tap on apps. Then from apps tap on Samsung Wallet, and then tap on force stop. Then relaunch the app. The next step you need to take is to clear cache and data. To do this, go to settings, tap on apps, tap on Samsung Wallet, tap on storage, then tap on clear cache. It is harmless, but if the issue persists, you're going to have to tap on clear data, and this will require you relogging in because to log you out of the app. The next step you need to take is step 3, which is where you check for updates. Go to Galaxy Store, tap on updates or Play Store if you side loaded it, and then update Samsung Wallet and Samsung Pass if it is linked. The next step you need to take is to restart your phone because a simple reboot can fix temporary system glitches. Step 5 is to reinstall Samsung Wallet. Uninstall the Samsung Wallet app, then download it fresh from the Galaxy Store. Then you check for system updates. That's the next step. So you tap on settings, tap on software updates, and you will see a new update there for Galaxy Wallet. So download and install it. Now, OS bugs can break wallet. That is why you need to check for system updates. Most updates fix such problems. Step 7 to disable battery optimization. Now tap on settings, tap on battery, tap on app power management, and tap on exclude Samsung Wallet. Then the next step is to test in safe mode. You can restart in safe mode, that is hold the power button and tap on safe mode. If the wallet opens, a third-party app is interfering. Uninstall that app that's interfering. It will be among the recent apps you installed. Then step 9 is to reset app preferences. Tap on settings, tap on apps, tap on menu. That is the 3 dots to open up the menu, and then tap on reset app preferences. This will help to reset permission. Then the last step you can take is step 10, factory reset, which is the last resort. Now, this is the last resort you should take if all else fails. If the remaining 9 doesn't work, 9 steps don't work, then you take this step. What you do is to back up your data first, then tap on settings, tap on general management, tap on reset, and then tap on factory reset. If it is still not working after taking these 10 steps, then you have to contact Samsung support via member app or visit a Samsung service center. Hope you found this video helpful.